Welcome to our tutorial on how to mark a chat as read on WhatsApp Web on PC with the new update. Let's get started with the simple steps. First, open webwhatsapp.com on your computer's browser. Once the website loads, log in with your WhatsApp account details. Next, navigate to the chat that you want to mark as read. You can easily scroll through your list of chats to find the specific one you're looking for. Now, hover your mouse over the chat or right-click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Click on the arrow icon, V, next to the chat to access more options. In the drop-down menu, select the Mark as Read option. This action will mark the chat as read, so you no longer have the unread notification. And there you have it! You have successfully marked a chat as read on WhatsApp Web with just a few simple clicks. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Until next time, happy chatting on WhatsApp Web.